Hey guys, want to start fresh or create a Smurf account in Mobile Legends? Today, I'll show you the fastest way to create a new account without deleting your main data. First, make sure your current account is bound to Moonton or Facebook so you don't lose it. Ready? Let's go. Head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for Parallel Space. This is the tool we'll use to run a second instance of the game. Download and install the official version. Open Parallel Space and agree to the permissions. Don't worry, it's safe. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap Start. The app will suggest some clones. Make sure Mobile Legends is selected. I also recommend selecting Facebook or Gmail if you plan to sync your new account later. Tap Add to Parallel Space. Parallel Space will launch the game automatically. It will start a fresh installation process within the virtual space, separate from your main game. Once the game loads, it's time to name your hero. Choose a unique name for your new identity and hit OK. From here, the game will take you through the mandatory beginner tutorials. Just follow the prompts, learn the basics, and lead your team to victory. Once you've finished the tutorials and reached the main lobby, go to Account Settings. This is crucial. Bind this new account to a fresh Moonton email or a different social media profile. This ensures your new progress is saved separately from your main account. And that's it. You now have a brand new Mobile Legends account ready to go. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more MLBB tips. See you in the land of dawn.